Hello, this is Wenyao Cheng demonstrating for the scripture journal assignment. So first of all, we can see on the main page, there's a list of all the scriptures along with the notes that I've made. And we can first check that it is sortable throughout the chapter, verses, notes, and dates. And we can use the search bar to search a specific book. And I made it that if you only get part of the book name, you can still find the book that you're looking for. Um, and as well as the notes, we can just say we want to see any notes containing an A, and then every scripture journal that I made with the notes containing an A will return to the user. If you want to show all the notes again, we can just clear out the constraint and search again. And here we can edit any of the um, scriptures journal, and then we can submit the changes, and you can see it's now changed. And we can also delete a scripture. And the last thing I want to show is to make a new book. Alma chapter 100. There's no chapter 100, but just for demonstrating purposes. And this is big one. And then at the last, you just give it a date, and then add the scripture, and you can see the last one that I just created is right here. And so yeah, that's the assignment. Thank you for watching.